Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is me, Tanzila Nazneen. I am your ICT teacher of Milestone School and College, English Medium Senior Section, Sector 11. Today I am going to conduct a class of Class 6, Lecture 08, CW 14, Chapter 2, Lesson 8 and 9. This is the review class. Chapter 2, Lesson 8, Application Software. Application software is a type of computer program that performs a specific personal, educational, and business function. Each program is designed to assist the user with a particular process, which may be related to productivity, creativity, and or communication. This is the picture of application software. Now come to the function of application software. Application software programs are created to facilitate a variety of functions, including managing information, manipulating data, constructing visuals, coordinating resources, and also calculating figures. Now come to examples of applications software. The most common application software programs are used by millions includes Microsoft suite of products that includes Office, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, etc. Internet browsers like Firefox, Safari, and Chrome. Mobile pieces of software such as Pandora for music appreciation, Skype for real-time online communication, and Slack for team collaboration. We all know application software are two types, that is packaged software and customized software. I have told you in the previous class. Now come to know the comparison between packaged and customized software. Number 1, packaged software is a compilation of programs where customized software is a specific program that are advanced for a goal. Number 2, cost of packaged software is low while custom software cost is higher. Number 3, it is easy or simple to use because this software has an easy interface, whereas customized software is hard to use because these software are custom built or customized. Number 4, packaged software measures of success is market sharing and profitability, whereas customized software measures success to provide satisfaction. Number 5, it is present in the market for buying and using, while customized software are not commercially available. It is exclusive to third parties. Number 6, packaged software can't be modified, but customized software can be modified or changed if there is need. Now come to the next lesson, that is some more machinery of ICT. We all are familiar with telephone, but do you know the inventor of telephone? Okay, Alexander Graham Bell is the inventor of telephone. With innovation and advancement in technology, the simple communicating device has taken a new form, popularly known as mobile phone. This is now a part of our daily life, right? For business deals, any personal work or meetings. And with the help of mobile phone, everything can be done. And day by day, it's going to be a small pocket computer, right? This is the picture of old-fashioned land phone. When there was no smartphone, there was no internet connection. In that time, this is the picture of the land phone. We all are familiar with this picture, that is smartphone, which is touch phone. This is the picture of land phone. We are all are familiar, but in our digital life we think that it is unnecessary, but I think it is necessary for those people who can't handling the smartphone or touch phone, like our family member, like our grandfather, grandmother. Okay, and also it is useful for all of us when there is no internet connection, or there is if your phone is breakdown. Okay, in that time land phone is only way for communication, right? Now come to our next topic, that is modem. And this is the picture of a modem. I think you all are familiar with modem. Now come to know procedure of a modem. A modem is what brings the internet into your home or business. A computer only reads digital signals, but the internet only reads analog signals. Here, modem demodulates incoming analog signals into a digital signals, and also it modulates outgoing signals into an analog signals. This is the procedure how modem work. Okay. This is the picture of a satellite. I think you all are familiar with satellite, but now come to know what is satellite. A satellite is an object that orbits another object in space. Satellites may be natural or man-made. The moon is a natural satellite that orbits the earth. Most man-made satellites also orbit the earth. Satellites are used for many purposes. There are weather satellites, communication satellites, navigation satellites, astronomy satellites, and many other kinds. Arthur C. Clarke popularized the idea of the communications satellite. Okay, I think you don't know the history of satellite. Okay, that's why I put some information for you. The world's first artificial satellite, that was Sputnik 1, was launched by the Soviet Union on 4th October in 1957. This surprised the world, and the United States quickly worked to launch their own satellite, starting the space race. Sputnik 2 was launched on November 3 in 1957 and carried the first living passenger into orbit. That was a dog named Laika. Then the United States launched their first satellite called Explorer 1 on 31st January in 1958. Then the UK launched its first satellite in 1962. Since then, thousands of satellites have been launched into orbit around the Earth. Look, here is the picture of satellites that is orbiting. This is the nice picture. I think you are enjoying this picture. Now come to the next topic, that is optical fiber. This is the picture of optical fiber. Now come to know what is optical fiber. An optical fiber is a thin fiber of glass or plastic that can carry light from one end to the other. The study of optical fiber is called fiber optics, which is part of applied science and engineering. Optical fibers are mainly used in telecommunications but they are also used for lighting, sensors, toys, and special cameras for seeing inside small spaces. They are sometimes used in medicine to see inside people, like down their throat. Now, classification of optical fibers. Depending upon the material composition of the core, there are two types of fibers used commonly. They are step index fiber and graded index fiber, and both of these fibers are further divided into two. One is single mode fiber and another is multi mode fiber. Single mode fiber, these are excited with laser, and multi mode fiber, these are excited with LED, that means light emitting diode. Now come to the applications of optical fiber. The optical fibers have many applications. Some of them are as follows. 1. Used in telephone system, submarine cable networks. Number 2. Used in data link for computer networks, CATV systems, CCTV, surveillance cameras. Number 3. Used for connecting fire, police and other emergency services. Number 4. Used in hospitals, schools, traffic management system, and also used for in heavy duty constructions. That's all about today's class. There is some question for your HW. You should learn and write also. Question number 1. Difference between package software and customer software. Question number 2. What is satellite? Question number 3. What is mobile phone? I think I have already discussed these questions. So now you should learn all these questions and also write, and you must write the SW number, that is 14. Okay, and you should learn your textbook also. I think you are enjoying the class. So our time is, we are passing critical situation, so you should be very careful, and also you should pray to Allah for all of us. Okay, thank you all.